Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth instalment of Project Monaro. Now we're really getting down to the business end of the car build, and I'm looking forward to seeing it all come together. The team at B&A have been working really hard to get the body on the Monaro ready for paint. So let's head there now and get an update of how she looks.
Hi, I'm Dominic Mazzio from B&A Motor Body Repairs, and we are so proud to be a part of this Project Monaro build. As you can see, Project Monaro is now ready to send back to a Holden dealer. Before we take a closer look, let's take you through how we got here.
B&A Motor Body Repairs is a Holden certified collision repairer, which is part of the Holden Accident Care program. Like all Holden certified collision repairers, their workshop is home to some of the best I-car trained technicians in the industry, who repair all Holdens using new genuine parts sourced directly from their local Holden dealer, strictly adhering to Holden's repair procedures to ensure safe and proper repairs every time. The Monaro was picked up from the Holden dealer and brought to the workshop. For a 15-year-old car with over 200,000 kilometres on the clock, it presented really well. Before the team began to strip the car down, it was checked over for any gremlins hiding under the paint. There was a couple of spots on the car that weren't up to spec, but overall, it was a great base for the project. Some parts required bare metaling to remove excess paint, while others just required blocking and minor bodywork to remove some imperfections that it had picked up over the journey. The bonnet, bumpers and one of the front guards had been deemed to have had one too many repairs over the years, so we ordered in brand new Holden genuine parts to replace them. The beauty with using genuine parts is that they fit right first time out of the box. They're basically ready to prime and paint. With the bodywork complete, it was ready to hit with some colour, with the assistance of our Project Monaro partner, PPG. In 2004, Project Monaro came off the production line in Phantom Black PPG paint, so it made sense we utilised their latest and most advanced technology, the EnviroBase high-performance waterborne base coat system, as the new paint for Project Monaro. The Holden design team worked closely with PPG to develop a special one-of-a-kind colour for Project Monaro that has been dubbed Panorama Blue Suede. PPG developed the bespoke colour in their Melbourne colour laboratory. They trialled several options for Panorama Blue Suede on a range of base coat and satin combinations before presenting them back to Holden Design for final specification approval. The bespoke gloss Phantom Black roof was painted first, before 3 coats of colour, then 3 coats of PPG semi-gloss clear coat were laid down. With paint completed, it was time for reassembly. Our team fitted up brand new Holden genuine headlamps and tail lamps, along with a heap of other genuine parts that are still available from Holden. The custom 19-inch wheels were painted up by Ace Alloy Wheels in Melbourne, as per Holden design specifications, and are almost ready for the Holden dealer to fit up the new Bridgestone tyres.
The B&A family and all its team are so proud of how Project Monaro has turned out. Now that Project Monaro is completed in body and paint, it's off to a Holden dealer to have its mechanical work completed. Then to the proving ground for a shakedown with Lounsey.
With the car back now at our Holden dealer, it's time for Project Monaro to start going back together. The rebuilt engine, fresh from the AC Delco drag racing team, was mounted back onto the Monaro's K-frame, and the Holden genuine remanufactured transmission connected up. What a contrast to where we started, and a mountain of work to get it looking this good. All of the bolt-on parts were then fitted to the engine, with anything that could be replaced with Holden genuine or AC Delco parts being replaced. The Sachs Performance suspension, fresh from being tuned at the Red Bull Holden racing team, was fitted into the car and paired with a set of bespoke I-back springs. A remanufactured AC Delco steering rack, along with new genuine bushes, ball joints and other suspension items were also installed. The engine and gearbox were now ready to slot back into the Monaro. To complete the new driveline, the Monaro's LSD was completely overhauled, using Holden genuine parts and installed along with new genuine drive shafts. To ensure the Monaro sounds just as good as it looks, a new Chevy Performance Pontiac GTO exhaust system from Eagle Auto Parts was installed, with some new Holden genuine catalytic converters and sensors. It was now time to connect everything up in the engine bay, and get the car ready to fire up for the first time. AC Delco's range-topping AGM battery was chosen for Project Monaro. The AC Delco AGM range of batteries offers stronger and more reliable starting power than a conventional battery, making it the perfect fit for the upgraded engine in the Monaro. A complete set of Holden genuine keys were also cut and programmed by our dealer in readiness for the first startup. It's going to be one very lucky Holden customer who gets a hold of these.
Hi, my name is Rob Pandolfo and I'm the Service Manager at South Morang Holden. It's been a real honour of mine to be asked to be part of this build with Holden. I've been working in Holden dealerships all my working career, and restoring cars is a real passion of mine, which I do in my spare time. Together with our team at South Morang, with my foreman Anthony, we've been getting the car ready to start up for its first time.
With Project Monaro running, it's time to get it rolling and ready for Lounsey's road test at the Holden Proving Ground. A fresh set of Bridgestone Potenza S007A tyres are being fitted up to the 19-inch Project Monaro wheels through our dealer as part of the Holden tyre program. After some deliberation, it was decided to equip Project Monaro with a full set of new AP Racing 4-piston brakes, as specified for HSVs of the same era. Auto Image Interiors are now applying the finishing touches to the interior for Project Monaro before fitting it back into the car. While the interior was out, the Project Monaro team also updated the instrument cluster and binnacle gauges. It's these bespoke touches that are going to make this a true one-off Holden-built car. LNI has enjoyed a long-standing relationship with Holden going back almost 40 years. They've provided high-quality badging and nameplates for many of Holden's special edition vehicles, and for Project Monaro, we've created some truly unique parts that include an underbonnet build plaque, a numbered dash pad badge, Project Monaro sill plates, wheel centre caps, and a build partner plaque proudly on display in the boot.
As you can see, the car looks awesome. And don't forget, you can win it, or the ultimate Holden Garage prize. How do you win it? It's simple. Just buy Holden genuine or AC Delco parts, or visit your service department at your local Holden dealer. Now, on the next episode, it's the big one. It's the one that everyone's been looking forward to, especially me. We get to see for the first time the car in a complete form. We also get to take it down to the Holden Proving Ground and give it a shakedown. It's going to be a lot of fun. So stay tuned. See you there.